This video explains how to buy shares of freelance.com SA, a digital freelance marketplace listed on Euronext under the ticker ALFRE.PA. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. Always research carefully before investing. To buy ALFRE.PA, you need a broker. We use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to place trades. Use the broker search bar and type the ticker ALFRE.PA to find freelance.com SA. Make sure you select the Euronext listing to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to see recent movement. Double-check the listing details and the ticker to confirm this is the correct freelance.com SA share. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, review the order including any fees, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, a link to eToro is included in the description.